In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an approval process within Salesforce. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you can create a streamlined and effective system for managing approvals within your organization. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the features Salesforce offers, including setting up approval processes. Once you're there, locate the Quick Settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear or wrench at the top of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a menu with several options to customize your Salesforce environment and access more advanced settings. Next, select Open Advanced Setup from this menu. This option will lead you to a new page where you're going to type Approval Processes in the search bar. This search helps you filter through Salesforce's many features to find exactly what you need. Once you've typed that in, the Approval Processes option will appear. Click on it to proceed to the next step. You'll now see a page listing already existing approval processes, if there are any, or simply a prompt to create one. Your next move is to choose Create New Approval Process from here. You'll then be asked to select Use Standard Setup Wizard, but which will walk you through setting up your approval process step by step with guided prompts and instructions, making it easier to understand and set up without missing anything crucial. When prompted, you'll need to enter a name for your new approval process. Be sure to choose a name that's descriptive and easily recognizable, as you'll be referring back to this name whenever you engage with this process in the future. After naming your process, hit Next to continue. At this point, you'll choose a field that this approval process will be associated with. This step is essential as it determines the basis on which approvals are triggered. For example, this could be a sales deal amount, a project phase, etc. Make sure you choose wisely, as the field will guide how the approval process is executed. Once satisfied, hit Next again. You'd then focus on specifying the approver field and record editability properties. This step involves deciding who can approve the records and who can edit them while they're under approval, providing you with control over workflow integrity during the approval process. Once you've configured these appropriately, keep following the prompts. After setting this up, proceed with specifying the approver determined by the criteria you set earlier. This is where you define who exactly in your organization will have the authority to approve requests based on specific criteria. Continue through the wizard, choosing fields to display on the approval page layout. This decision determines what information is visible during the approval process, ensuring that approvers have all the essential data they need at a glance. When you're happy with the selections, follow the prompts to add available fields. Click Next and select a suitable submitter type for the process. Finally, after closely examining your setup and confirming all the details, complete the process by clicking Save. Congratulations, you've now set up an approval process in Salesforce. This setup ensures that your business transactions go through the necessary checks and balances, maintaining the quality and integrity of your organizational processes. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more of our tutorials. Thank you for watching.